You see all those health stats, right? The ones that literally shape policy and save lives. Ever wonder where they actually come from? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a super powerful tool that's at the heart of it all. We're asking a simple question: why Stata? Okay, let's be real. We are absolutely drowning in data these days. I mean, think about it. Clinical trials, disease outbreaks, wearable tech. The numbers just never stop. It can feel like total chaos. So the big question is, how on earth do you sift through all that noise to find the signals that actually save lives? How do you turn this flood of data into something clear? And look, this isn't just some abstract academic problem. In public health, getting the data right, well, it can literally be the difference between stopping a pandemic in its tracks and a preventable tragedy. We're talking about making decisions that save lives. And for that, you absolutely need the right tools. All right, so we've got the problem down, right? Data chaos. Now let's get to the solution. One of the most powerful tools in the public health toolbox is a piece of software called Stata. So, what exactly is it, and why should you care? So, the easiest way to think about it, imagine your everyday spreadsheet, but on steroids, like a super-powered version that can handle massive amounts of data, run really complex statistical tests, and then spit out these beautiful, easy-to-understand charts and graphs. That's basically Stata in a nutshell. It's the one-stop shop for making sense of numbers. Or hey, let's try another analogy. Think of Stata as a master detective for data. It shows up to this messy crime scene of jumbled raw numbers, and it starts finding clues, connecting the dots, and then it presents this clear, compelling story that solves the whole case. It's all about turning that raw data into solid evidence and then turning that evidence into real-world action. In this slide right here, it just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the before, that data nightmare. It's just a complex, tangled mess of numbers that honestly gives me a headache just looking at it. But then, on the right, that's the after. It's organized, it's insightful, it tells a clear story. That's the transformation. That's the power of Stata. It literally brings order to chaos. Okay, so we get what Stata does, but let's see how it's actually used out there in the real world. How does this powerful software become such a crucial part of the public health toolkit? So, yeah, why is this so incredibly important for public health? I mean, this is where the rubber really meets the road. What makes Stata the go-to tool for so many of these professionals on the front lines? Well, it really all boils down to making smarter, evidence-based decisions. With a tool like Stata, health professionals can track a disease outbreak pretty much in real time. They can figure out if a new program or a new vaccine is actually working. They can pinpoint which groups of people are most at risk. It's about turning all that research into actual policy that helps people. It's using data to save lives, one analysis at a time. All right, enough theory. Let's see Stata in action. Where is this software being used right now to make a tangible difference in people's lives? Okay, wow, this table really shows you just how versatile Stata is. It's like the Swiss Army knife of data analysis. Let's just run through a few of these because they're pretty cool. In epidemiology, you're asking, how is a disease spreading? Stata helps model that. In biostatistics, the question is, hey, is this brand new treatment actually effective? Stata analyzes the clinical trial data to give you a definitive answer. Then you've got health economists asking, is this huge health program we're spending millions on actually cost-effective? And it doesn't stop there. Medical research, sociology, you name it, it helps answer the critical questions in so many fields. So, what's the big takeaway here? You've just had a crash course in why Stata is such a game changer for public health. We've seen how it takes that mess of data, turns chaos into clarity, and really empowers the experts who are working every day to protect our health. Hey, if you enjoyed this explainer and you want to learn more about the tools and ideas shaping our world, you know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We've also got an audio version on Apple Podcasts. The link's in the description. And seriously, let us know what you think in the comments. We love hearing from you.